Did you know there's a legal way in India to save taxes by literally creating a whole new taxpayer in your family without adding a new person? Sounds crazy, right? It's called the Hindu Undivided Family, or HUF, and if you're not using it, you might be leaving money on the table. Welcome to Fintelligentsia, where financial wisdom meets community. Today, we go into the details of how to create an HUF for yourself. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide to create an HUF. There are many videos on YouTube on what an HUF can and cannot do. But if you are interested in the most basic use case of not giving away 20 to 30% of even your savings account interest earnings as tax, then this video will guide you till getting yourself a PAN card and a bank account for your HUF. First, let's talk about the prerequisites that you must check in order for you being eligible to create an HUF, which is recognized as a separate entity under Indian tax law. Prerequisite 1. You should belong to a Hindu, Sikh, Jain, or Buddhist family. Prerequisite 2. You should be married and have at least one child. If you qualify these two prereq conditions, you are ready to embark on a tax-saving, financially rewarding journey to build your finances using an HUF, and we are here to guide you step by step. The first step is to create an HUF declaration affidavit that will contain the items on the screen right now. You can download the attached Word document in description and fill it out for yourself. Next step is to notarize it. Go to your local court with a printout of the Microsoft Word document and ask any of the lawyers there to notarize your HUF affidavit. It is a common document and process for them. Now, move on to the next video of our stepwise guide to create HUF series, where we will cover the step 2 of the process, which is to apply for a separate PAN card in the name of the HUF.